Hello, Liberium Crypto community. Exciting day today or night, depending on where you are. But just want to give you a quick update as to where we are. You know, we wanted to launch on Tuesday. We're still working very, very hard to get there. We are hours away, not days, hours away before we flip that switch. The crafted email is ready to go out. And I want everyone to know, those of you that have pre-enrolled and that are pre-enrolling prior to the launch, you will receive 30 free trade tokens, not 20, 30. So you'll get a chance to really test out this system. If you want to go ahead and select your package, you'll be able to do so. We're going to have instructions on how you do that, how you fund the account to begin to select your package. But that means you'll get an additional 30 trade tokens plus the package that you choose. Okay, so we are pretty much right there. We're hours away, and I'm not talking about days, literally hours. Could be before midnight Central Standard Time. It could be within the next hour. It could be within the next 4 hours. But we are hours away, guys, not days. So thank you guys so much for your patience. But it takes leaders with vision to help people with dreams. And we are right there to helping people accomplish their dreams. Liberium Crypto, onwards and upwards. Next level, baby. See you at the top.